Hi there, just going to show you how to work the coffee machine. So at the back, you press the power button on. The coffee machine will make some noise as it's heating. You're waiting for the heating, for where it says heating, to turn to press rotary. The rotary is on the top. You just go and press it straight down. This is going to clean out the machine. This happens every time you turn it on to start a new cup. You'll want to have a cup underneath to capture the liquid coming out, which you'll just dispose of. Once it says ready filter, you go to the top and you toggle the rotary. If you want a strong cup of coffee, to 2 cups, and press it straight down, and it will make 2 shots or a long shot of espresso. You can also toggle the rotary down at this point to have it add less water. It will say 3 ounce, and as you toggle down, 2.5, 2, 2.1, or sorry, 2, 1.5. I toggle it all the way down to 0.5 ounce shot. Now for the frother, you go to the toggle it until it says steam, press the toggle down. It will say heating. Once it's ready, it will say ready filter. And then you can just switch the button on top of this frother to froth the milk. Easy as that. Enjoy.